Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please put your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Ms. Williams-Combs?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus LaShawn Williams-Combs. This is ticket number P1251815, one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyrone Rock on behalf of Ms. LaShawn Williams-Combs. Ms. Combs,
Ma'am, please.
state your name.
My name is LaShawn Williams-Combs.
Your Honor, we have pre-tried the case and my client would like to take advantage of the offer whereby she will be pleading to the amended charge of improper plates and the unregistered untitled would be dismissed.
Is that how you want to move forward with this case, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and just for the record, this is a bench trial scheduled for today, and Officer Kirkman was here. Is it still? I think he checked out to go to a different courtroom, but he did sign in. I was here when he signed in this morning. Ma'am, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange with me today? Go get you some water,
No.
Mr. Rucker.
All right.
All right, are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I want to take your attention back to the date of, what is this? September 20th of 2021. Were you at that time driving a Benz in the area of Livernois and Santa Maria in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled? You didn't renew your tags for the year on that vehicle?
No.
You had not?
No, I had not.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
That's fine.
Stipulation, oh, and the court is satisfied as well. We'll enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates in this particular matter. All right, ma'am, did you renew your tags yet?
Unfortunately, it wasn't my car. It was my ex's vehicle. And we not together, so you know how that go.
I do know how that goes. All right, ma'am. All right, waiving her costs and fines today. Thank you for taking ownership over it. I know it's a tough one. All right, ma'am, thank you, though. You're all set.
Only thing I asked, could I have 30 days to pay it if possible?
Yep, I'm not charging you anything today, ma'am.
Oh. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too. You told me.
I missed that part.
I know. You said, let me have 30 days to pay. You want to pay a fine?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
I understand. You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay, ma'am?
All right, bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. Yes.
Your Honor,
Yes,
I don't know if you, how long do you generally give the officers?
I just give them until 10. Everybody gets till 10.
All right, good deal. All right, we
Okay.
can call if you would like. Miss Raquel Withers.
Okay.
All right, let me
Let's
try to
bring
pull
out all
her.
the people we can.
Okay,
Did you do what did you-
Oh, yeah, this is a dismissal.
All right. Are these all here? We'll bring out Mr. Williams.
Madam Clerk, whenever you get a chance, I've tried 4 times to bring Miss Withers out and it's not moving her for whatever reason.
Yeah, I don't know why. That's okay. We're gonna go on to Damian Williams. I don't know if you talked to him yet or not. I'm gonna.
Oh, yeah, I talked to everybody.
Okay.
Talking about Damon Williams.
Uh-huh.
Okay, because we got a Damon too. Okay. Yep, we're all set.
All right. Mr. Williams? Mr. Williams?
Yes.
I'll go back to
Mr.
the
Williams,
break room.
I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
Mr.
Okay,
Williams,
go
you
to
got
the
to remove your hat.
Mhm.
Oh.
I know.
Okay.
He was still in the breakout.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Get to that breakout room for me and I can call your matters, okay?
You say go to the breakout room?
Wherever you were before, that's good, as long as it's quiet, okay?
Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, here it go.
All right. Okay, now calling the matters of the people versus Damon Williams. This is ticket number P 1274898, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P 1244328, 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket P 1262992, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyrone Rock on behalf of Mr. Damon Williams. Mr. Williams, state your name.
Damon Lamont Williams.
And Mr. Williams, today is the date and time set for a pretrial, Your Honor, but my client has corrected the no insurance. He represented to me and I represent to you as a officer of the court. He now has global insurance issued 11/19/22, expires 5/19/23, policy number 05-111-02-0082-01 on a 2004 Lincoln LS. Is that correct, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
And with respect to your license, is your license corrected?
Yes.
And Your Honor, you mentioned some other charges, but they aren't on my docket sheet.
Right, I pull all of his tickets from his future court dates, that way I
Oh,
can
okay.
take care of them all at one time. And
Okay.
so I just call all the cases that he has. He's paid a number of civil infractions as well in this matter. On every ticket, there's probably a company civil infraction that he already took care of on these tickets. Is that right, Mr. Williams? You already took care of your civil infractions and paid them all?
Yeah, like I just paid like 800 worth of tickets last month.
I can tell, you did pay like $800 last month. And so with that being said, what's your motion, Attorney Rucker?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to make a motion to dismiss, seeing as Mr. Williams has made the corrections.
All right, at this point in time, the court is going to grant that request. The tickets called on this record today will be dismissed for 2 reasons. Because you corrected the issues that you had, and also because you paid some accompanying civil infraction fines. And so at this time, the court's going to dismiss the cases called on the record today. Okay, sir?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day and get back to work, okay?
You too as well. Bye-bye.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, Mr. Williams. All right. He's smiling big now.
All right.
I know it's hard to get through all of that. I understand, Mr. Williams. That wasn't an easy task for you to pay all that, so I get it.
Take care. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. get Ms. Withers out, you have anyone else, Attorney Worker, that you ready on?
Oh, yes, Your Honor. If you can call out Ms. Raquel Withers, I can't seem to get her out.
I can't get her out either. I keep trying to get her to the main session.
Oh,
You might have to
okay.
pass her over for a moment. That's okay.
And then,
Officer Nasser here. Give me that one second, or that person, no, they didn't show up. Who you here on, Officer Nasser? Wait.
Aaron Whaley.
Okay, yeah, they didn't show up yet. Just a few more minutes and then I'll just do a case on them, okay?
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. And Officer Gagnon,
Yes, ma'am.
doesn't show up either. All right, just give me a few more minutes and I'll call your case, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for writing on all those tickets. for me. You're welcome. Cause I was like, oh, you paid a lot. Withers? Raquel Withers?
I'm here.
Ma'am, I know you're not lying in bed in court.
I just got off work at 7 o'clock this morning. I've been sitting up until I just came in my room.
well, you can't lay in bed, Ms. Withers. You have to cut on the lights and sit up and be dressed properly. Thank you.
Thank you, attorney.
Sure.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Raquel Withers. This is ticket number P 9987601, one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyron Ruck on behalf of Ms. Raquel Withers. Ms. Withers, state your name.
Raquel Withers.
Your Honor, today's date and time, And we have, well, for arraignment on the bench warrant. However, we did pre-try the case, and I'm glad to report my client does have a valid license. That's what she represents. I asked the court to verify that.
All right, at this time, actually, council has, for the city has decided to dismiss the ticket. She paid an accompanying civil infraction, so she's gonna get it dismissed. But we can
Oh, thank
verify that she has a license. And yeah, she had a speeding ticket that she ended up paying for. That was with this ticket, so they're gonna dismiss this without prejudice at this point in time. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Ms. Withers, when you come on the
Yes.
court, you work that night. Don't do that with any other judge. Other judges are not as kind. They will
I
flip
know,
you
I'm
out, okay?
sorry. I
It's okay. I
apologize.
know
I'm
you're
just,
tired. I know it's been a long day, okay? But you just gotta sit up just during that court time. When they ask you, just sit up for a moment. You can lay right back down, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. The case is dismissed, so you can go back to sleep, okay? Have a good night. All right? Go
Okay.
ahead. I know you're tired. I know it's frustrating, but you just gotta, don't do that to anybody else. They will go off, okay?
Okay,
All right. All right, turn the lights back out. You can sign off now. Bye, Ms. Withers.
okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Right. All right, officer, let me call your matters. Officers who are in here. Yeah, Aaron Wade. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Aaron Lamont Whaley Jr. This is Terry, ticket number P 1336395. This is count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Attorney Rucker, may I have your name for the record, please?
Tyron Rucker on behalf of Aaron Whaley.
And Officer Nasser, can I have your name for the record, please?
Abdullah Nasser.
Thank you so much. The time is now 10 a.m. The defendant has not appeared before this court. The court is now going to issue a capias in this matter. Thank you, Officer Nasser, for showing
Thank you.
up. Take care and be safe out there, okay?
You as well. Be safe.
I will, thank you. Officer Gagnon?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll call you back. Who you here on, Young? Yes. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Summer Young. This is ticket P 1356041. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, supply false information or ID to police officer. Count 3, improper address on license. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyron Rucker on behalf of Ms. Summer Young.
All right. And officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
Officer Aaron Gagnon.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. It is now 10:01 a.m. Ms. Young has not appeared before this court, so at this time, the court is going to issue a capias in this matter. Her bond will be set at $0 personal. Thank you all for coming. Thank you, officer. Be safe, okay?
All right, you too.
I will, thank you.
All right.
Sir, down here, stock vote SB 55. What's your, why, you're not connected to audio. What happened? He's connected. Why you not connected to audio? Let me see. All right, good morning, sir. What's your name? On the phone, shock vote. Hello?
White, talking to me, ma'am?
Yes, sir. What's your name?
Curtis White.
Mr. White, why are you just now checking in?
I did this last time, Your Honor. I be having problems with this. I had to call the courtroom. I don't understand this Zoom stuff. I'm sorry.
said White.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, what, did you have to call down to 36 District Court first to get the courtroom number? Or did you
I
call
had to go
direct
back,
court?
I had to go way back in my call log and find the number, ma'am.
Mr. White, so
Yes,
your court
ma'am.
hearing was at 8:30, and I just heard you talking to my court clerk at 9:50.
Right, I had to find out how to get into this. I have a problem with
Did
this
you hear me?
every
Did you hear me,
time.
Mr. White? Mr. White, use your listening ears. But your court matter started at 8:30, and you ain't called until 9:50. So it's
Because
not
I was
like you
trying to
called
walk.
at 9 o'clock. No, stop talking. Stop it.
Yes, ma'am.
Stop talking. I don't want to hear the excuses today. I'm just saying, you didn't start calling at 9 o'clock and say to yourself, hey, I need to get some help. You called an hour and a half later and said, I need some help.
Yes, ma'am.
You gotta do better. We got to do better. We can't be taking technology and be like, I can't figure it out. And I'm gonna wait until, so you probably got up late and then you decided you were gonna sign on.
I did get up late, ma'am.
You said what?
I did get up late,
Yeah,
Judge.
I know that's what happened. So just come on and be honest. I got up late and then I couldn't figure out how to get on. Don't call and say, oh, this Zoom technology.
I work every day, Your Honor. I'm
it out.
sorry. I'm sorry. I work every day.
I listen, don't I too? I got to come
Yes,
in and work
ma'am.
every day too.
Yeah,
And what
you
happens
be
when
on
I come in
time.
and I ain't on time? People fuss at me all day long.
I
Mr.
know
White,
you're
I'm
on
gonna put
time.
you into what's called a breakout room. Attorney Rucker is gonna come in there and talk to you. We have a few people in front of you, so you gotta be patient, okay? Wait in the breakout room. He's gonna come in there and talk to you about what you can do with your case today. Then I'll bring you back into the courtroom and then we can go from there, okay, Mr. White?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
All right, it's okay. I just fussed a little bit because I want y'all to understand. Now, if you was going out there someplace else, you wouldn't have dared be late. Cause you know they would put you in,
Right.
okay? So we need
You're
the
right.
same respect, okay? All right,
Yes, ma'am.
room 4, okay? Join that room. We ask you to join it, join room 4, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. White. All right. Are you ready on Miss Whitney?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, Patrice Whitney? You gotta unmute yourself, ma'am. You know how to unmute yourself?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Now calling the matter. I didn't even make sure. Good morning, Miss Burrell. I'm sorry.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Patrice Whitney. This is ticket number P1355997. Count 1, insufficient or defective lights. Count 2, defective or missing equipment. Also calling ticket number P1331216. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Also calling that's not on the record for today, but it has an upcoming date next year. Ticket number SP140734111. This is 1 count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
However, I work on behalf of Miss Patrice Whitney. Miss Whitney, state your name. Miss Whitney, state your name.
Oh, she may have frozen. Oh.
Patrice Whitney.
Your Honor, today is the date time set for a trial in this matter. However, no officer has appeared, officer by the name of Nico Romano. Thus, Your Honor, we'd ask for a dismissal as the prosecution cannot go forward.
All right. On those matters, the ticket P1331216, counts 1, 2, and 3, as well as ticket number P1355997, counts 1 and 2. The time is now 10:07 a.m. No officer having appeared. I'm going to dismiss those 2 tickets. We still do have the remaining ticket of SP140734111. Ma'am, this is not set to be on my docket until March of next year. Do you just want to come back that date?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll see you March 21st, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, via Zoom. Have a good day.
You too, bye-bye.
I got a signature. My dad, you go first. No, and I said, you want to sing it to her this morning? Yeah.
Your Honor, just to let you know, we're all set until I get some offers. I talked with everybody.
Okay, Dante just came back. We just called him back because Mary has to pull everything. So we good.
What's going on, Rock?
Hey, what's going on, Dante? You all right?
I'm good, you?
I'm pretty good.
Hey, credit worker, I have offers for Curtis White, Jamel Young, and Lois Williams.
All right, how about, do we have, seem like we have a Sean Williams. A Sean Williams as well. Sean Patrick Williams, can I get an offer for him? And I think that'll be it.
John Patrick Williams. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, could you hold on one second? You been telling me no all morning. I don't know what's going on. Yeah.
you check your email for the offers?
I just checked a minute ago and I see I just got it right now. Okay.
Hey, and Sean Williams is gonna be Inspired Place.
It was
Now, wait.
Oh, it's offering?
Okay.
Oh,
Expired place. Okay.
I'm sorry.
It was just that one.
How many was it?
I think you over two separate offers. I think it was 1 and 1, and then, Sean Williams was the last.
Get them on.
peace.
Please, thank you. We appreciate you. You was loyal. You was kind.
All right, Ruck, I'll check you later, man.
All right. Have a good one.
You too.
He is. He gonna have a great day. Yeah. Press star 6 on your phone until I call your name. You're in the courtroom now, Mr. Williams. Press star 6. Mute yourself.
Okay, hang on. Hold
Yes.
All right.
Hello?
Everyone put yourself
Yes.
on mute. Everyone put yourself on mute until I call your case, please. So just put yourself on mute and then I'll call your matter, okay?
Okay. How you put it on mute?
Star 6.
Oh, 5-6?
Star 6,
Okay.
Mr. Williams. Star 6.
Oh.
6.
Okay, I'm new at this. Hold on. Star 6.
All right. Sean Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sean Patrick Williams. This is ticket P 1307582. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyrone Rucker on behalf of Mr. Sean Williams. Mr. Williams, state your name for the record.
Sean Patrick Williams.
Your Honor, we did have an opportunity to pre-try the case. As such, Mr. Williams would like to take advantage of the offer where he will be pleading responsible to expired plates. The other matter will be dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
All right. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of January 30th of 2022 in the area of West 7 Mile and Carmen Street to the city of Detroit. Mr. Williams was driving a Chrysler vehicle and it did have expired plates. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the plea as charged, the expired plates. Count 1 will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for this is $145. 145. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infraction. Is that going to be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I have to do no later than January 4th, 2022, okay?
I have one question. Do I do it over the phone or do I have to show up downtown?
You can either come downtown and pay it. You can go online to 36districtcourt.org. There may be a phone option as well, but I'm not sure, to be honest.
Okay, I'll try online, and if it's a problem, I'll come down to town, but I'm out of town until January 4th. I don't come back to January 4th.
Okay, that's fine, sir. You need a little extra time just in case, so you can make sure you make the
Yes,
payment.
ma'am, to be on the safe side. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I have to do on no later than January 23rd, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome, sir. You have a great day, okay?
Okay, may I hang up now or
You
no?
may. Yep, go ahead and hang up, Mr. Williams.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Please.
Hello?
Please.
Mr.
Stop.
Williams, why do you just
Yeah.
keep interjecting yourself?
I'm new at this. I don't know. I'm sorry.
All right, I'm gonna call your matters. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lawrence Williams. This is ticket number P 1270775. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket number P 1270776. 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket P 1254203. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while unlicensed. I'm also calling, not on this docket for today, but for a future date, ticket number SP 1293735. This is 1 count drove while licensed, not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please.
Hi, Ron Rupp, on behalf of Mr. Lawrence Williams. Mr. Williams, state your name.
Lawrence Marcellus Williams.
Your Honor, we have pre-tried this case. My client would like to go forward with the offer whereby he would be pleading to the amended charge of fail to display and to the original charge of improper plates. The remaining tickets, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, would be dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Williams?
Yes, it is.
All right. You want to take advantage of that offer today, sir? Please raise your right hand.
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial, sir? You understand that?
Excuse me, I didn't hear. Say it again.
Yep. And by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial. You understand that, sir?
A bridge car? Oh, yes, I understand it.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing?
I'm at work. I work for elementary school.
Okay, be still wherever you are. You sound like you're doing a lot of movement. Be still for a minute.
Oh, I'm
okay?
sorry. I'm
All
sorry.
right.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna take your attention back to the date of November the 5th of 2021. Were you in the area of East State Fair and Albion Streets in the city of Detroit driving a GMC vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
While you're driving that vehicle, did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, also drawing your attention to that same date, place and location. Were you driving with your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display on the driving while license suspended and the amended charge, as charged for improper plates on count 1 of that ticket. All right. The remaining counts will be dismissed. All right. I'm gonna charge you a fine today on the improper plates in the amount of $200. I'm gonna waive the cost of fines on the other ticket. I'm gonna give you
Your Honor?
until February 21st to make this payment.
Oh, January?
February.
Oh, February. Now, Your Honor, may I speak, please?
Yes, you may.
I did, on the 9th of December, I came down there, I paid $414 on the ticket.
To get what, for a bond? Did you pay on bonds or what?
No, I paid it on the ticket, on that ticket there. She told me to give you a number off this paper that I had.
So you paid some civil infraction tickets?
Yes, it was $414 on the 9th of December.
tickets I have, you pay $126.
We have another two.
No, not over there.
Do we have
I'm
ticket
I'm
numbers?
only charging them $200 today. Sir, I understand that you came
Yes,
down
ma'am.
here and paid $400 worth of tickets. I'm only doing 200. I'm waiving the other costs and fines on your ticket. Today you are getting
Oh.
dismissed. 1, 2. Oh, do you pay this no proof of insurance too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tickets.
No, that was still.
That wasn't
Oh,
default.
okay,
And I'm taking the
okay.
ticket out of default and dismissing that. Mr. Williams, when you
Okay.
don't pay
I
tickets
just,
and you don't come to court, then you gotta have some type of consequences that take place. I'm waiving the cost of fines on the other ticket, so you only have one more $200 payment to make. I'm making that due 2
Okay.
months from now.
thank you, Your Honor. Okay, okay. then.
You good? That's it.
Yeah,
And then all
yeah.
of your cases will be closed.
Okay, then, okay. I'm new at this. I don't, I'm sorry.
I know
Okay,
you
then.
came
That
down here
sounds
and you
good.
made some efforts. It looks like you may have paid some civil infractions off from earlier or, from a while ago and stuff like that, which is fantastic. But I'm gonna take one of these tickets that's in default. I'm gonna take it out of default and not charge you any money at all. Have a good day, Mr. Williams.
Thank you. Bless you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too, okay?
Okay, all right.
All right, Mr. Williams, take care of that. You have until February 23rd. First, February 21st, okay? All right. Terrell Young?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Happy holiday.
Same to you, sir. Now, who is that? Now calling the matters of the people versus Tremel Evan Young. This is ticket P 1251751. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1300591. This is driver's license never acquired. Ticket number SP 656. Count 1, defective bumper, fender, or windshield. Count 2 on that ticket is disregard traffic control device. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyrone Ruff on behalf of Tremel Young. Mr. Young, state your name.
Tremel Young.
Your Honor, we have pre-tried the case whereby my client will be pleading on ticket ending 921 to the amended charge of fail to display and pleading responsible to the defective window, bumper, and the remaining tickets would be dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Young?
Yes, sir.
You want to take advantage of that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Excuse me?
Yes, I said, did you,
I can't hear you.
I know I stopped talking for a minute because I had to figure out when you couldn't hear me. What was the last thing I said to you?
Am I pleading guilty?
Because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of January 18th of 2022. Were you in the area of Grand River and Evergreen in the city of Detroit driving a Hyundai vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
While you're driving that vehicle, did you never have your driver's license, sir?
No, ma'am. I was going,
Did
but
that vehicle have a defect- Huh?
I had took the test, but I got too many wrong, and I need a little minute because my glasses is broke. I can't really see.
Okay, Mr. Young. And did you also have a defective bumper, fender, or windshield? Was there something that was wrong with one of those items?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display for one of the counts and as charged for the defective windshield, bumper, or fender, okay?
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
you said you having trouble passing that test?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
I can't see. My glasses broke.
Have you ever had your license though?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
I just ain't get around to it.
Mr. Young,
Yes.
you gotta get your license.
Yes, ma'am.
You too mature. I won't say old. You too mature not to have your license. I see your age. Get your
Yes,
license.
ma'am. Yes,
Pass
ma'am.
the test. Get your license so you can be legit out here driving.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The fine for the civil infraction is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time for you to pay the 120?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. I might have to pay the 120 on that. On the other ticket, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this is due, the 120 is due by January 4th, okay? January 4th,
Okay.
okay?
Yes, ma'am. You said
All right, sir.
100.
$120, $120.
Okay.
Okay, you may have some reinstatement fees. I don't know. Those are extra, but just worry about paying 120. You can figure everything else out, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, sir. Thank you, Mr. Young. You have a great day, okay?
You too, and happy holiday.
Same to you. Thank you so much.
All right.
All right, bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for helping him, whoever that is. Thank you. I don't know who it is. Mr. White?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
I can. 1 second. All right, before I begin, Attorney Rucker, he does have 3 additional tickets. He's scheduled to come back in March of next year. He can just wait to do those 3 tickets because I don't have an offer on it. Or I can try and get an offer. One of them is 50. It's 21 or 25 miles over posted speed, drove without a license, and no insurance misdemeanor. I don't really touch the speeding ones much. So do you wanna, Mr. White, do you wanna come back for these 3 tickets next year? Or do you wanna try and resolve everything today?
We can try to get it over with today, Your Honor, please.
Hold tight, Mr. White. Let me see if I can get an offer for you.
Okay.
Don't use the bathroom, Mel. Mel. Look, there, green pill sitting out there.
You need us to sign you off, Mr. Young? Okay, all right.
Shut up. I can't hear myself.
this is a courtroom. You cannot smoke cigarettes in the courtroom, even if you
Oh,
wait,
I'm
Mr.
sorry,
White.
Your Honor. I was at home having my coffee. I'm sorry. It's out. I'm putting it out.
God.
I'm sorry.
Put you in the waiting room until I'm ready for you, okay? Hold tight.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna put you back in a breakout room so that the attorney can talk to you.
Okay.
Time,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? All right, it says you join room 10, join that room.
Okay. I'm waiting for it to pop up.
You see it?
Yep.
Go ahead and join that room, sir, okay?
I clicked.
You got it, Mr. White?
Did they send the offer yet, Judge?
No, we don't. We wait. Our typical prosecutor is out sick, so we have to wait for somebody. Attorney Rucker?
I'm taking up right now. You're welcome.
Yes, Your Honor.
They're asking him to take the class because his speeding ticket.
Okay, I'll go and talk with him.
He's in room 1.
First call me back.
Okay, you're good. That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, so
We ready on Mr. White?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now recalling the matter of the people versus Curtis White. This is ticket P 1351385. Count 1, defective brake lights. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, drove while license suspended. And ticket number SP 14035-232, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 1 of that ticket is drove while license not valid. Also calling ticket number SP 14035-111, speeding 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tyrone Rucker on behalf of Mr. Curtis White. Mr. White, state your name.
Curtis Damon White.
Your Honor, my client would like to take advantage of the proposed plea agreement whereby he will be pleading to the amended charge of failed to display on ticket ending in 385, charge 3, and the remaining 2 on that same citation would be dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. White?
Yes, sir.
And also for the record, my client has agreed to take a driver improvement course for the other tickets indicated earlier and then return back to show completion and to get a better offer, Your Honor.
Okay, well, I do it all at one time. I mean, I guess he can plead for one today. He doesn't want to, okay. How long will it take you to take the class, sir?
I don't know, man, how long the class is, but I'll get on it the first of the year, but I'm quite sure I won't be able to start this month.
Okay. This is pretty close to the other day. Just come back on the original court date you had, 3/10/2023. That gives you plenty of time to take that class, okay?
3/6.
3/10.
3/10.
Yes,
Okay.
you were scheduled to have a hearing that day anyways at 1:30. Just come in at 8:30 instead, okay?
8:30. I'm writing it down now.
We'll handle all your matters at that time, okay?
Okay. Do I need to pay for this other ticket that we're talking about now? This failure
I
to
mean,
display?
you can plead today to this. It's gonna give you extra counts on your record. Okay.
No,
all
I'll
right.
wait. Then. I'll wait.
Usually when they do a resolution, sometimes when it's this few tickets, sometimes you only have to plead to one count or. I mean, you can plead today to the one ticket if you would like, sir.
No,
Or-
I'll
and then-
wait. I'll wait.
Okay.
Let me take care of my business.
All right, I'll see you on March 10th, huh? Yeah, because I think it's a payment for the class, so just take the class, come back March 10th, 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you then, Mr. White. Thank you for being patient this morning.
Thank you too. Merry Christmas and have a blessed New
Merry
Year.
Christmas to you. Same to you, all right? Happy New Year, Merry Christmas to you too. We'll see you on March 10th, 8:30 a.m. via
8:30.
Zoom, okay?
I'll be on time this time. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Bye.